Good morning everyone and Happy New Year. Because it's the first day of the year, I decided to do one of my New Year resolutions, which is to swim in the sea during the winter. So I thought it's the perfect time because I live in South Sea anyway, so let's do it. I decided to come today for a swim because it's quite nice outside. The sun is out finally after so long. It's like 8 degrees outside and the water temperature is 10 degrees. I'm really excited about it. It's my first time, but I see that a lot of people are doing it, so I'm not that I'm not a person that loves cold. I feel like, ooh, it feels good. At the beginning it's a really big shock and you feel like you can't breathe, but it's good to like try to breathe. And yeah, after you get out of the water, like now I'm just fine, like I feel like, oh, I don't feel cold, which is really weird. So yeah, let's go in one more time.
So you don't feel like...
I don't know why.
I'm surprised, you did it really well.
I don't know why. I don't know. So I'm really happy I did it. To be honest, I didn't really think I could do it, but I just went for it. So yeah, I really recommend you to do this. You feel really amazing. And maybe try to have some cold showers before. That was my plan, but I didn't really do it. And yeah, it's amazing. And you should do it if you have the opportunity. I'm all dressed up now. Whew. Yeah. I know I didn't swim, I just had a little dip, but for the first time I think it's pretty impressive. And yeah, next time I will try and swim too. Yeah, it was a really nice atmosphere at the beach. Everyone was like swimming, running, cycling. So yeah, wishing you an excellent start of the year, and I will see you next time.